Hi guys, welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera social media. In a twist and turn event, Pastor Dr. Ian Love has accepted gifts from Sewicknell ED ZANU-PF team yevarakasi zvigananda. Apa Ian Love achiziva kuti mari yacho iri kubirwa nyika, saka vazukuru vambuya Nanda havana kufara nazvo. Vari kudedzera kuti saka vasi profeti nhema yega yega vaingoda mari. Terai munzwe zvataurwa nevanhu. Mumwe munauya akati Ian Love didn't want to, but his wife forced him. Mumwe munhu ati he is not Ndebele anymore. Mumwe munhu akati Paineys, congratulations to them. Mumwe munhu akati I salute Thomas Mapfumo and Winky D. They are not pastors, but they have moral principles that can't be matched. Mumwe munhu akati these gifts are dividing citizens like never before. It will be very difficult to bring Zimbabweans together to fight for a cause. Not even one person in government has spoken about investigating the source of the funds. I feel like the pastor gave in to the temptation. How do you go and accept unclean gifts from a thief, especially after what was exposed just last week by the SA government? But I don't see the reason for him to refuse such beautiful gifts he never asked for. It's besides, they are not politicians. Not all the betrayals comes with keys. Some come with a 2025 Land Crusaders and full tank. 30 pieces of silver. I don't blame him. Zimbabwe will never be normal as long as its capital city remains Harare. If I could get a chance to loot, I will loot and leave the cursed land forever. Handizi guys not kudi munongoziva Mega Wicknell ndiye ari kupa vanhu mota apa asi muZimbabwe vanhu vari kutambura zvipatara. Muri kungoona Mega even nzira, muri kungoona Mega even maaccident. Vamwe vanhu vanotakurwa kubva pacrime scene vachiri vapenyu, asi kuzvipatara vanongonofa because hakuna medication, hakuna mishina yekurapa yekuoperata. Saka inzwa izvo zvichinzi chimwe munauya akati considering gifts and without judging any Christians must discern the source by considering whether the gift comes from a source that honors God. If the gift origin is questionable, it may be wise to decline it. Hate me, but the truth we all know there is no true prophet. All these guys are after money. How will they pass a temptation like that when their mission is money? If they can get title from the poorest, what can stop them from receiving from the filthy rich? Believe in God but never believe in any church in Zimbabwe. He has lost one follower. Who I am in pain. Wisdom is a principle. What does it profit a man to accept like this? So guys, I don't know not kudina so asintonya iripo. Pastor Dr. Ian Love has accepted my gifts from Sewicknell from ZANU-PF, where ivo munichiziva Mega kuti vanga vachizviramba ndo vanga vachitaura zviri kuitika muZimbabwe, vanga vachitaura kuti chii chichaitika papolitics. But as you all know, mukaona vachidai ZANU-PF zvigananda zvichiita zvaitika izvi dzichigifta Dr. Ian Love, it means vari kuzama kusilensa Pastor Ian Love kuti vasataure zvanotaura because vanga vachifumura zvakawanda.